So it's time to open our big egg. We have, let me see first. Before you open them, you need to give them to me. We have a giant, or we have a big, the good dinosaur egg. It says that it has 40 tattoos. And Taylor is going to open his Pop Rocks Cotton Candy Explosion. It has 2 stickers inside.
I got these! I only got 2!
Whoa, let's see. Look at that. These are the good dinosaur tattoos.
And now I'm gonna open up the dinosaur.
Next pot, we have Arlo and Butch.
God, I'm opening this egg now.
And
The
more
Avengers.
tattoos.
Hey God, I'm already opening this egg.
So they're just the same, but 2 sheets.
Hey! Whoa!
Okay. And we also have Avengers stickers.
I got the blue.
The same sheet. 40 stickers. Can I see your Pop Rocks first, Liam? Give it to me.
Yellow and the blue pop rock.
Taylor got Cotton Candy Explosion and Cotton Candy Explosion. And Liam too. But and we got to have an exceptional Easter. 2 stickers.
Whoa!
You need to be careful.
Both of them are yellow. I got both yellow. I got both yellow. I got tattoos.
Liam got 2 Pop Rock tattoos.
And these.
And 2 stickers. And Taylor got Paw Patrol tattoos.
Yeah, I'll open.
Borrowed Liam, can I borrow that first?
I can open it.
And Taylor's
But I'm not
Minion.
going in cardboard. I'm gonna go in
Just like Aya Liam. Okay, Taylor, what is inside your
tattoo?
what's inside your minion? You got Pop Rocks.
Bubbly. I got the minion, the tattoo.
Let me see. And we got 40 tattoos. 40 minion tattoos.
I'm gonna eat this.
Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And click the thumbs up button if you love finding surprise eggs.
Bye, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumb up button if you want to see some more Easter egg videos. Bye, please subscribe.
Bye, Taylor.
Bye.
Let's see all.
But can we get to Easter egg and the grandma helping our cousin?
Let's see all the eggs.